Today, another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today's topic is about Apple TV 4K. Cinematic in every sense. Apple TV 4K lets you watch movies and shows an amazing 4K HDR and with a Dolby Atmos sound. It has great content from Apple like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Play, and ESPN. And streaming now Apple Originals from Apple TV Plus. You can use Siri to control it all with just one of your voice. And Apple TV 4K is even easier to enjoy with a rearranged home screen and new experiences designed to make TV more immersive and personal. 4K HDR sets a new standard. So 4K gives you a crisper picture using 4 times more pixel than standard HD. High dynamic range HDR delivers brighter, more realistic colors and greater detail. From the hottest new movie to your favorite TV show, everything is more lifelike than ever. Dolby Atmos. Its sound turned up to 360. Combine Apple TV 4K with Dolby Atmos compatible sound system, and you're fully immersed with three-dimensional audio that sends sound around and above you with a pinpoint precision. Whether jet zooms, overhead turtle downpour erupts, the true-to-life sound puts you inside the action. And as the first streaming player to be both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos certified, Apple TV 4K brings home the complete cinematic experience, so it's just like you're in the cinema. These are just some shows that are in Apple TV. Your favorite live TV lives here. Apple TV teams up with some of the world's largest TV networks and broadcasters to bring you live content that you care about most. Sports such as ESPN, MLB, the late breaking news apps such as Bloomberg and CNN, and your favorite shows such as Hulu, YouTube TV, Sling TV. Also subscribe to Charter Spectrum, AT&T TV, Optimum, and other pay TV providers can also watch live channels and thousands of on-demand programs with Apple TV 4K. Can make it truly the TV you need, the box you need to use. You can switch from dad to mom to kids and back fast. So with the multi-user support in the new system control, all your family members can quickly and easily find you only on the show they want to watch. Dad gets to watch hers, mom hers, the child hers. It's an entire TV experience. Up next is videos, music, collection, recommendation, only and only for you, not your child, not your husband, just for you. The Apple TV app, all your TV, all in one app. Apple Original shows and movies from Apple TV Plus, just the premium channel you want. Thousands of movies to buy, rent, popular streaming services, cable TV providers. It's a personalized, expertable, curated. So you'll discover the best of what's on, and it's all on Apple TV. All on your screen. It's the ultimate way to watch TV. So there's no more typing to find exactly what you're looking for. You can just ask Siri for a movie, show, genre, actor, or song you love. Siri also shines when you're not sure what you want to say. So you just say to Siri like, show me an action movie, and Siri delivers, or play last episode of Insecure, and something like that. When it comes to controllers, if you're not playing games, so Apple TV supports a wide variety of controllers, including the PlayStation, DualShock 4, and Xbox wireless control with Bluetooth that makes games even gripping than ever. So you can play your favorite games on your TV. Apple Arcade is a game subscription service unlike any other. There are over 100 new games ready to play, and from mythical landscapes to earth-shattering explosions. The experience is all too real on your biggest screen with Apple TV. The App Store on Apple TV has something for everyone. Entertainment apps like Amazon Prime Video, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, thousands of top sport, fitness, lifestyle apps, and the world games. And also you can see your pictures on your TV. Photos and videos. Memories automatically create collections of your best photos and videos, and Apple TV lets you see them in 4K. If you create live photo loops and bounces on your iPhone, you can share those on the biggest screen. With Apple Music, it gives you access to over 70 million songs and music videos from 80s and 90s to the top artists, all on your Apple TV free. You can discover great music with your family and friends, even sing along to your favorite songs word to word in lyrics. Turn your iPhone into an Apple TV remote. Once you connect your Apple TV um, into your iPhone, iPad, or other devices from Apple, you can basically use that as your control center and control your TV. Control your smartphone through Apple. Shut your garage door, control your home's heat air conditioning. You can double check the locks. Apple TV lets you use your device control HomeKit enabled. Accessories remotely with your home app. Your biggest screen only gets bigger with more ways to watch and play and connect the latest update. Apple TV 4K gives you a boost to your biggest screen and deliver the best viewing and listening experience in your home. So with more players, more controllers, and more games, you can have a multi-user support for gaming players, and you can keep track of your individual game levels, leaderboards, invitation, and all of that, and you can switch back and forth between the users. Let HomeKit show your door. So the live view of your front door, keep an eye on all your HomeKit camera feeds right from your Apple. Just you can ask Siri to view any camera at any time in front of your home control center. You're binge watching your favorite show, somebody comes and knock, you ask Siri to show you who's on the door, and if you want, you can open the door and that. There's more ways to sit here. In a picture-in-picture, you can watch a movie while you keep an eye on a game or check the weather and binge watch your series all at the same time. So let's say you're binge watching your series, someone comes at the door. Your mom asks you to check who is it. You just have it while binge watching your series. You can just ask Siri and then it will show you who it is at the same time binge watching your series. Or just want to check the weather or the new football game or the results of that game while watching your TV. With AirPlay, you can share 4K videos from photos, apps on your iPhone, iPad, to your Apple TV 4K in full resolution. When it's quiet time and you are the only one listening, you can audio share, connect the two devices of AirPod and Apple TV to each other so you can enjoy the whole experience. Also, you can do that with a friend as well. You can watch the latest YouTube videos in their full 4K coloring, your favorite music, slow-mo outdoors, and vlog footage never looked better. You can also get 1 year of Apple TV Plus free when you buy an Apple TV 4K, so you can experience it for free. All in your TV, all in one app on your Apple TV. Before we go, please make sure to check out this Amazon link. You never know, you might end up buying your own. And yeah, it's a really good way to give you more information about your Apple TV while you might end up buying your own. The link is also in the description box below, so please make sure to check it out. The resource I used was www.apple.com, so you can make sure it's completely reliable, and we give them credit for this presentation, the pictures that I used. And that's it. So please make sure to go and check our other contents, and we hope you have a really wonderful day. Bye.